Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is JD and I am a cryptocurrency investor and I teach people how to build cryptocurrency portfolios. So I'm glad you made it to the channel and found it. This here is actually my first video installment that I'm going to be doing every Monday where we just look at the market, see where things are, look at the price action to try to decide whether it's time for us to buy, to sell, or just to sit tight. I recently helped my entire immediate family get going, and I realized that many people don't know where to start building their portfolio, or even what a cryptocurrency is, what Bitcoin is, what the blockchain is. All of that stuff is still very new to people, and so I thought that I could pitch in and start sharing some value, and so I've chose to do it here on YouTube. So this again is the first video. This is going to be in that installment. You can look for a video every Monday where we just look at the market. So let's jump right in. So here we have a chart of Bitcoin, and in the description you will find a free report that I've done on the Bitcoin market cycle. And so I kind of want you to look at that report and then you'll kind of understand what we're going to be looking at every Monday. But basically Bitcoin goes through a cycle ever since it's been created. It's been doing the same exact cycle, and a lot of it has to do with the Bitcoin halving that happens every 4 years. And if you look back historically, after the halving, which is what this white line represents, we get a tremendous rally in Bitcoin. And so just real quickly, the red box it represents the crypto winners or the downtrend of a cycle, which we are currently in right now on this candle right here. The white box is where we like to dollar cost average, or where we like to start to buy, crypto projects, because we know that, we're basically buying the dip. But we wait until, prices show us that we're entering into this box. Then there's always a little rally, a relief rally, and then kind of accumulation phase right before the next Bitcoin halving and right before we take off. So that kind of, that's a quick overview of the Bitcoin market cycle. A free report is in the description of this video. Grab it, it's free. It'll go a little bit deeper into that so you can understand what we're looking at as we do these videos on Monday. But let's just get going. So today we're seeing, Bitcoin is hovering right around 19,000. We hit a bottom back here on June 13th at about 17,009, right at 18,000. So we're gonna see what Bitcoin does here. If it breaks down a new low, we could easily fall into the $13,000 range, $14,000 range in here, or we may have already seen the bottom, which would be great too, and we may just continue to move sideways and move into this what I call seed time section here. So what I like to also do is take a look at the S&P 500, because right now Bitcoin is still coupled to the regular stock market. So if we look at the S&P 500, we can see that back here starting in March of 2020, it started a magnificent rally. It ran up from 2200 all the way up into 4800, and so we're now getting a pullback, which was quite overdue. This is just a Fibonacci that I've placed on this, and for those of you who know Fibonacci, you're normally going to get a pullback to the 50% 618 level, which is represented by this white box. So we're almost there. So what I'm saying is that the S&P probably is going to enter into this area. So the drop isn't over. Every time that the Fed raises the interest rates to fight inflation that's going on right now, that pushes the market down further. And I do believe they are reported to be probably going to do another increase this month. So wouldn't shock me at all if the S&P falls into this range, which is going to push Bitcoin down also, if it stays coupled the way it has been so far. So right now it's not quite time to buy, but it's definitely time to be looking at the projects that you want to buy during the seed time phase. The way I do that is I just go to a website called CoinGecko. And if you just go to CoinGecko, this is where I do most of my research on different projects that have great potential. Right now it's kind of funny. They all have great potential. I mean, I can just pick any coin. If I just look at any any coin really. Let's look at Cardano real quick. And on CoinGecko, you can quickly see the all-time high, which was $3.09, and what is down? It's currently down 86%. So hey, that could be a possibility when we start to buy around seed time. Polkadot. Let's take a look at that. It's down 88%. The high was $54. It's going for $6 right now. So there's just tons of opportunity. Use tokenomics, which is what utility does the coin have, what's the supply of it, to make smart decisions. Chainlink, which is an Oracle coin, it helps get real information and prices into blockchains. It's definitely gonna have its use in the future. It's down 86%. So these are the type of coins that I look at when I'm thinking about investing, and when the time is right, those are the coins that I'm definitely gonna be jumping on. See, VeChain, the coin that I feel that is very much undervalued. Down 91%. So these coins that are down so much right now, there's nothing wrong with the project or the business model. We're in a bear market right now, crypto winter, and so these projects are going to rebound. Let's see, Aave. See, it's down 88%. I mean, it was $661, so it's only 75 now. These projects, along with Bitcoin, along with Ethereum, they're going to rebound in the next bull rally, and it's these type of projects that are going to help you get that 10x, 20x. If you really hit one big, that 100x income increase. FTM, they produce smart contracts also, down 93%. All-time high was $3.46. Right now you can get that for 22 cents. And this is what I love about the crypto market. You can pick these projects and you can load up, because this, 22 cents. So when the time is right, what I tell people to do, when the time is right, you could actually start now, definitely here in a few next coming months to probably all the way through 2023. Dollar cost average. So just take $10 a paycheck, $20 a paycheck, and grab some of these projects that's 22 cent, or VeChain that's 2 cent. $20 go a long way on 2 cent, so you can grab quite a bit of coins. And when we get that next run, if it does anything like back here, look at this run. We had to run down, consolidated right here, a little relief rally, accumulated. We had the Bitcoin halving, and then look at that takeoff. So if you got the right projects, when Bitcoin takes off like this, because when Bitcoin moves, all the rest of the altcoins move also. If you have the right project when this happens, you're going to be in good shape. So that's the report for today, for this Monday, which is October 3rd, 2022. Again, grab my free report on the Bitcoin market cycle so you can understand what we're going to be looking at every Monday. Get that and you'll understand what we're looking at. You'll understand how to position yourself to take advantage of the next rally. And we're going to talk about coins more, which coins look good, which coins have a lot of use case, have good use cases, and have good potential because of the supply and demand. Again, my name is JD. Thanks for visiting the channel. I hope that it will be of great value to you. Bye bye.